Have you ever wondered what the future holds for the iconic James Bond franchise? Um, as Amazon gears up to take the reins, exciting changes are on the horizon. Before diving in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Um, Rumors are swirling that Amazon has reached out to some heavyweights in the film industry. Uh, David Heyman, known for his work on the Harry Potter series, and Amy Pascal, who produced the Spider-Man trilogy, are reportedly in talks to lead the new era who's Bond. This could mark a significant shift in how we experience 007. Um, Heyman isn't just a one-trick pony. He's also been involved in productions like Barbie and Wonka. Meanwhile, Pascal has a history with the Bond franchise, having worked on films featuring Daniel Craig. This makes her a strong candidate to step in after the long-standing producers Barbara Broccoli and Michael G. Wilson. Fans have expressed mixed feelings about this transition. The departure of Broccoli and Wilson, who have shaped Bond's character for years, has left some worried. Many fear that Amazon might steer the series toward a more politically correct direction, potentially diluting its essence. However, insiders suggest that these concerns may be overblown. Amazon is reportedly committed to preserving the core identity of Bond. This means that the character will likely remain British or from a Commonwealth nation, and traditionally male, same guard. As the franchise navigates this unprecedented change, about speculation about who will don the tuxedo next is rampant. Names like Aaron Taylor Johnson, Theo James, and even Henry Cavill have been thrown into the mix, which is yet one passionate Bond fan, Graham Rye, believes a lesser known actor might be the perfect fit. He's championing Stuart Martin, a Scottish actor known for his roles in Miss Scarlet and Rebel Moon, as the ideal candidate to carry on the legacy. Rye argues that Martin has the qualities needed to keep the franchise thriving while honoring what fans love about Bond. He even likened Martin's potential to that of the legendary Sean Connery. And so, however, until an official announcement is made, the mystery of who will be the next 007 remains, because the mystery. So, as we await the next chapter in Bond's story, let's keep our fingers crossed for a thrilling ride ahead. After all, if James Bond can survive a few plot twists, so can we. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm centering my crystal topics.